In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color in a PDF. Edit PDF and comment tools explained. If you've ever opened a PDF and wished you could make a line of text stand out or match a specific brand color, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it. We'll cover two simple approaches: changing the color of existing text and setting the color for new, temporary text you add as an annotation. Start by opening your PDF document. On the right-hand panel, select the Edit PDF tool. This tells your PDF editor that you want to work directly with the content on the page, not just mark it up. Once Edit PDF is active, click on the block of text whose color you want to change. You'll see it highlight, indicating it's ready to be formatted. With the text selected, look at the Format panel on the right. Click the font color icon, the one that looks like a capital A with a color bar. A color palette will appear. Choose the color you want, and it will instantly apply to the selected text. This change updates the actual content within the PDF, which is ideal when you're making permanent edits for things like headings, instructions, or any text you want to keep consistent. If you're working with text that's temporary, or you're adding notes for review, use the comment tool instead. Switch to the comment tool, then choose either Add Text or Text Box, depending on whether you want the text inline or in a contained box. Before you start typing, take a look at the formatting toolbar that appears for comments. Click the color swatch there to set the color of your new annotation text. Selecting the color first ensures everything you type uses the correct hue from the start, saving you from reformatting later. A quick tip on choosing colors: aim for strong contrast so your text remains readable on any background. If your document has a lot of dark elements, a lighter color will stand out more, and vice versa. Also, keep in mind that edits made through Edit PDF change the underlying content, while comment text stays as an annotation that's easy to review, adjust, or remove without altering the original layout. That's all there is to it. Use Edit PDF for permanent color changes to existing text, and the comment tool for temporary color-coded notes. Follow these steps and your PDFs will be clearer, more consistent, and easier to read.